2-year break, Sony announced a new pair of wireless earbuds WF-1000XM6. It'll arrive as a replacement for the XM5. Bringing an updated version of its processor V2 with now features 32-bit from 24-bit of previous time. Thanks to the changes, Sony claims improved dynamic range details. The buds are equipped with 8.4mm dynamic and get Sony's custom tuning. Collaboration with Sony Music affiliated Recording Studio. You can get support for AC, SBC, C3 and LDAC and its codec as well as Sony DSEE Extreme, which uses AI algorithm scale compressed audio. It arrives at updated sound tuning. Strongers who prefer to tweak the audio output, Sony is bringing an updated 10-band EQ inside the app. You can also have multi-pairing via 5.3 LE Auracast fast pair. Swiftbuds also support 360-degree reality audio with tracking. The other key update is QN3E noise cancelling, which is inherited from the over-the-ear XM6 WH-XM6. The XM6 offers 25% more effective noise compared to predecessors. ANC system features an adaptive noise ring optimizer which analyzes external sound and noise cancelling to real time according to you wear it. The adaptive ANC system takes 2 additional outwards facing, bringing the total to 4 per earbud. Sony is claiming the ambient mode is more natural and lifelike. The internal inside the buds are now 1.5 times than the predecessor, offering a more connection. It arrives with updated, stronger tuning. Battery life is rated at 8 hours, just like the previous generation. The charging case brings 2 full recharges, combined battery life of 24 hours. XM6 retains wireless charging support and IP for ingress protection. It will be available in silver black colors for $330.